Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel GD Mentor. After a long break of 8 months, we are back, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how I created a stunning photo manipulation of a soul. So without any further ado, let's get started. I used this sky image to create the background. Here, I'm cutting out the subject from the foreground.
I'm not ready yet, ready to begin. I'm not ready yet. I'm not ready yet.
After cutting out subject from the foreground, I placed the foreground on the background and started blending them together. I corrected the color of the foreground and the background. Then I added some haze with a soft round brush to create a sense of depth. Then I added blur to separate the foreground from the background. Then I used this windmill to populate the background, and I also color matched it to the background. Then I placed the subject in the background and started blending it. Then I duplicated the subject and created the soul effect using different techniques. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and also turn on the bell notification so you don't miss out any new videos. Then I created a portal from scratch. final image. I hope you liked it. Till next time, bye bye.